Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Rayban is probably one of the most iconic eyewear brands globally, celebrated for its timeless designs and superior quality. From the classic Aviator to the Wayfarer, Rayban sunglasses have consistently set trends and protected eyes with their advanced lens technology. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Rayban a top choice for anyone seeking both style and sun protection, exploring their key features and why they remain a favorite. Number 5. Rayban RB2132 New Wayfarer Square Sunglasses. Looking for a classic style? These sunglasses are perfect for everyday wear. They offer a timeless design with a modern twist, making them a versatile choice. The square shape of these sunglasses adds a touch of sophistication. It's a style that complements various face shapes, giving the wearer a confident look. These sunglasses are designed for comfort. You can wear them all day long without feeling any pressure. These sunglasses are built to last. They are a perfect blend of durability and style, ensuring you look good while protecting your eyes. These sunglasses provide excellent UV protection. They shield your eyes from harmful rays, allowing you to enjoy the sun safely. What we like. These sunglasses boast the iconic Wayfarer design, a timeless classic. The durable nylon frame ensures they can withstand daily wear and tear. If you are looking for a stylish and durable pair of sunglasses that never goes out of style, you should consider these. What people say. The fit is comfortable, the weight is perfect, and they just sit there confidently on your nose, not trying to slide off or pinch your temples. The world through these lenses is just better. Colors seem richer, the sky is a more vibrant blue, and the sun, that previously annoying ball of glare, is suddenly manageable. They look great, have the classic Rayban look, and you look cool without any extra added douchiness. Is that a word that some sunglasses can cause? Looking at your entire product line, Oakley, the lens quality is good, especially for this price point. It filters out brightness and glare without making everything way too dark, and what I found particularly interesting in the fact that my first pair I didn't take good care of. I would leave them in my laptop bag out of a case, stuff them in a jacked pocket with keys and change in it, and they never even had a hint of a scratch on the lenses. Number 4. Rayban RB4165 Justin Sunglasses. Introducing the Rayban RB4165 Justin Sunglasses. This iconic style is perfect for everyday wear, offering a classic look with a modern twist. It's a must-have accessory for anyone. The rectangular shape of these sunglasses suits a variety of face shapes. They provide excellent coverage and a stylish silhouette. You'll love how they look and feel. Made with lightweight materials, these sunglasses are comfortable to wear all day long. You won't even notice them on your face. They are designed for all-day wear. These sunglasses offer 100% UV protection, shielding your eyes from harmful rays. They are a stylish way to protect your eyes. It's a great choice for sunny days. Embrace the timeless Rayban style with the RB4165 Justin. This model embodies the brand's heritage of quality and design. It's a statement piece. What we like. These sunglasses feature a trendy rectangular shape, perfect for a modern look. The lightweight feel ensures all-day comfort. If you like a contemporary style and prioritize comfort, you should consider them. What people say. If you're looking for a stylish, high-quality, and versatile pair of sunglasses, the Rayban RB4165 Justin rectangular sunglasses are a fantastic choice. The RB4165 Justin sunglasses come with high-quality, impact-resistant lenses that offer heavy checkmark 100% UV protection, shields your eyes from harmful UVA and UVB rays. The Justin series is highly versatile, making them a must-have for any sunglasses collection. Number 3. Rayban RB3025 Classic Mirrored Aviator Sunglasses. These sunglasses are a timeless classic. They have been a symbol of cool for decades, and they continue to be a popular choice for those who want to make a statement. The mirrored lenses not only add a touch of style but also provide superior protection. They reduce glare and shield your eyes from harmful UV rays, ensuring clear vision in any condition. Crafted with high-quality materials, this pair is built to last. The lightweight frame and comfortable nose pads ensure a perfect fit, allowing you to wear them all day long without any discomfort. The iconic Aviator shape complements any face shape. Whether you're dressing up or down, they add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. This is a versatile accessory for any occasion. Ray-Ban has a long-standing reputation for quality and style. These sunglasses are a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. Invest in a pair and experience the legacy. What we like. These sunglasses feature mirrored lenses for a bold look and offer superior sun protection. The classic aviator style is universally flattering. If you want a pair of sunglasses that combine style with high-performance sun protection, you should consider these. What people say. The right sunglasses side arms, that go on your ears, equals all side arms I have on each pair of authentic Ray-Ban sunglasses have a letter, K, L, R, before CE, equals this is correct in all Ray-Ban sunglasses I have received. YouTube reviewers mentioned additional things to look for regarding authenticity of Ray-Ban sunglasses, RB on opposite frame that has triangle on R and doesn't scratch off. Has letter A, K, L, R, before CE, paint on inside doesn't scratch off, the case is good quality and not flimsy. Box has square barcode, sometime comes with product manual, cloth and warranty are of good quality materials. The best thing about the brand is that they fit tight against your face and have a large surface area, giving more protection against sun glare. Number 2. Ray-Ban RB4105 Folding Wayfarer Square Sunglasses. These Ray-Ban sunglasses are a classic, instantly recognizable. But what sets them apart is their innovative folding design, making them incredibly portable. The RB4105 Wayfarer offers the same timeless look you love, now with added practicality. It's perfect for those on the go, easily fitting into your pocket or bag. The square frames of these sunglasses add a touch of modern flair to the iconic Wayfarer shape. They are designed to complement a variety of face shapes, offering a stylish and versatile look. Enjoy the freedom of having your sunglasses with you wherever you go. This design allows you to easily store them when not in use, without sacrificing style. Experience the superior quality and craftsmanship that Ray-Ban is known for. These sunglasses provide excellent protection and a clear view, ensuring both style and functionality. What we like. These sunglasses have a unique foldable design, making them incredibly portable and compact. This feature makes it easy to carry them in your pocket or bag. If you are always on the go and need a convenient pair of sunglasses, you should consider them. What people say. The folding design is great for being able to carry and stash them more easily, and it seems to make the frames less likely to suffer some of the types of damage that glasses with fewer points of flexibility are likely to suffer. The relatively large lenses are superb for keeping sun, wind, and grit out of your eyes, and they're large enough to protect most peripheral vision. The folding is cool and the glass is clear. Number 1. Ray-Ban Clubmaster Oversized Square Sunglasses. These sunglasses feature the classic Clubmaster design. It's a timeless style that's instantly recognizable and always in fashion. The oversized square shape offers a bold and modern look. It provides ample coverage and makes a statement. These sunglasses provide excellent protection from the sun's harmful rays. They help keep your eyes safe and comfortable all day long. Made with high-quality materials, these sunglasses are built to last. They can withstand daily wear and tear. Perfect for any occasion, these sunglasses complement any outfit. They are a must-have accessory for anyone who wants to look good and feel great. What we like. These sunglasses feature oversized frames for a bold statement. The distinctive Clubmaster style adds a touch of retro flair. If you like a bold, retro look and want to make a statement, you should consider them. What people say. They have the light feel of the Ray-Ban Aviators with the durability of the Wayfarers. The frames are sturdy and well made, and the lenses are polarized, providing excellent protection from the sun's harmful rays. They fit comfortably on my big face. They offer good protection from the sun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.